I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your Affirm account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your device or visit the Affirm website. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once you're in your account, look for the payment methods section. This is where you can manage your payment options. Step 3. Add a new card. Click on Add a debit card or similar wording. Enter your debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Step 4. Verify your card. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and save. Once your card is verified, confirm the addition and save your changes. You should see your new debit card listed under payment methods. If you encounter any issues, double check that your card is not expired and that all details are entered correctly. Happy shopping!